This will tell you distances to the green without even looking at it. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's by GolfBuddy. I'll be your golf buddy, but if I'm not with you, you can have this. This is actually the GolfBuddy Voice 2. It is a little handheld GPS that will give you distances to the green, front, back, middle, and it's really small. It's quite simple. Looks like it comes with a micro USB cable here to charge it up, and as you can see, it's pretty small. It's kind of the size of a smartwatch, kind of those original iPod Nanos. We've got a little demo screen on there, but it's pretty small. It's all plastic. It's quite light. As you can see here, we have a metal clip on the back. So yes, you could clip this into your belt or on your hat brim, things like that. And not only will it give us the distances on this little LCD here, but if we hit this button, it will read those out to us. So let's try it out. So here is the Buddy here. We do have up and down arrows right there. We also have the little cover for the USB, the micro USB port right there. We have the power switch right here, green for go, and then it looks like we have a select or enter button, and then this is the voice prompt right there. But to get this sucker working, I'm just going to make sure that it's turned off, and I'm going to go ahead and plug in the micro USB cable here to get this little bad boy charged, and then we'll try it out. GolfBuddy Voice 2. English.
Please enjoy your round with GolfBuddy.
She's speaking to me already. All right. Got my satellites here.
Your course has been located.
Little
Please
storm.
proceed to T-box.
Okay, now it didn't ask me for the golf course, so I must just assume, which this is absolutely correct, you know, for first hole here, white tees 330, and it's telling me 332, so that's pretty cool. And if I hit this button,
Hole number 335 yards to green center.
and it showed me a little green graphic, which is cool too. So, all right, I'm gonna trust it. It's going on the belt.
Hole number 204 yards to green.
It's cool because you can just look at it, but yes, it also speaks it, and it's decently loud.
Hole number 205 yards to center.
Time to hit some bombs. Put it on the green. And it is really nice to not even look, just hit down here.
211 yards to green center.
Hole 5, 211 yards. Pretty cool. All right, so I played the whole round with this thing. In fact, I don't even have my normal GPS watch on. And one of the other cool things that was hard to catch on camera, because I didn't know when it was going to do it, but when it thinks you are going to the next hole, it actually reads you the next hole. So it says like hole number 6 or whatever when it thinks that you're done with that previous hole, which is actually kind of nice too. It doesn't give you the yardage at that point, but it just lets you know that it's advanced to the next hole. So this thing seems to be really accurate. I was comparing it with some other GPSs as well as range scopes, and it seemed to be right on. It's actually very affordable, and you just hit the button and it'll tell you those yardages.
Number 955 yards to green center.
So I definitely think it's worth picking up if you don't want to always look down and you just want to share the yardages, maybe with a cart mate or a golf mate. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
If you wanna know about a brand, ask me. I'll check if what's in the bag's nasty. Better if you know what's up than the unhappy. I know what it feels like when you're done cashing. You tried their meal or drive their vehicle. Garbage delivered at your PO. I know you feel you. You wanna scream, your head hurts on your pillow.
Discover more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Explore deeper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Live better.